We're hunting in southeastern Michigan, and there's a lot of deers around these parts.
We're gonna get one.
Before hitting the woods, every hunter has to make sure that his bow is sighted in properly. So we're going to take a couple practice shots to make sure that my bow is sighted in correctly.
Yeah, what he said.
Dang, sweet, this bow is always on.
Dang, Isaiah, that's the best shooting I've ever seen. What'd I do?
Good shoot.
There's one, right there, about 30 paces away. Emily, hit the grunt call. Perfect. Do it again. Emily, I said hit it again. Wait, I'm crapping. Yeah, that's it. Keep doing it. It's coming. It's coming. I'm gonna take a shot. I don't know how the heck you missed.
Neither do I. The sights were on perfectly.
Crap, I hit the tree.